everyone, it's Robin, Artist Island Crafts, and welcome to my studio. Still loving my Flamingo Christmas tree t-shirt. I'm going to wear this all through Advent so that you know it's a Flamingo Christmas. We are working on day 5 of our Advent package. A couple more of the reds and then we'll start seeing the new wrapping paper. Now this one accidentally tore a little bit, so I'm just going to put my hand right there so that we can't cheat. It feels very fabric, but after yesterday's little trickiness, I'm not going to trust her anymore, but I'm pretty sure this is going to be fabric. And since I can peek, I can see that it's green fabric. But as long as she's not being sneaky, we know it's just fabric, right? No, she's being sneaky because isn't that a really pretty green fabric? Oh, but that's not all. There's some owls to go with it. This is a really cute print. Isn't that really pretty? That would be great for I would say a little girl's quilt, but really a quilt of any age. Anyone who likes owls and the pinks and the aquas and such. And there's little birdies down there too. This would be great for a pillow on the tote bags, on the back of something, or just make one project just with this. Who says you can't just take one fun fabric and make it the entire quilt? 2 fun fabrics and you've got the front and back. Or do a patchwork of these 2 because they'll go together really nice and you'll be all set. I actually love owl fabrics and I love owls in real life. We have the burrowing owls that like to hang out in the neighborhood. It's getting a little bit harder for them to hang out because they keep building houses on all of their burrows and they have to move or be relocated. So there is today's. Now let's see what I gave my friend. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Day 4 is a quilt storage bag for a full or queen size quilt. Remember we said that we are okay if we re-gift. If someone gives us a gift, that we can go ahead and re-gift it to the other person. As long as we don't re-gift between the 2 of us. Like if I give her a gift, she can't re-gift it back to me. But if other people share something with us and it's something we're not really going to use, then it's fine to re-gift it. Now I thought that this Missouri Star Quilt Company quilt storage bag would be great for my friend because she can put fabric in it to help keep her craft room cleaner. If she wants to put her quilt tops in here or things like that. I don't have a need for this. It won't work for me in my situation. So I want to go ahead and pass it on to her and share it with someone who could find a good use for it. So how do you feel about re-gifting? Does that bother you? If you received a gift that was given to someone else, as long as I didn't give it to that person and it's something they feel like would be useful for me, I don't mind if someone re-gifts. But if someone gives me something and they know I don't use it, then you're just giving a gift just to give a gift. But if it's something that would be useful for me and it's something you know I would enjoy, then re-gifting it, I don't have a problem with that at all. See, here comes some of Grandma's tape everywhere. Round and round we go. We are not making a circle, we are just making a round shape. Number 4. I like this wrapping paper. I have fabric that's like this, and I'm really hoping the Dollar Tree has more of the Christmas fabric this year, because I'm going to buy, if they have things like this in the diagonal with the stripes or anything, I'm going to buy everything they have.